Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Here's a look at our Coronado Sky Cam, looking at I-94 eastbound into Minnesota and portions of University Avenue. Hopefully those commuters have AC cranked on high. Even though our temperatures are in the 80s, it is sticky and feels like 85. Current air temperature here in Fargo, 81 degrees. And for those headed towards Moorhead, also 81 degrees. Wind is out of the south at this hour at 8 miles per hour. In Grand Forks, mostly cloudy skies as well. 80 degrees, feels like 84 with a southerly wind at 17 miles per hour and a dew point at 71. That brings the humidity to 74%. So it is sticky when you're stepping outside. Temperatures across northern Minnesota still a little cooler in the upper 70s thanks to some cloud cover and passing showers earlier this evening. Meanwhile, the heat is still on in the south. 91 in Oaks and Aberdeen, 95 in Sisseton at this hour. Heat index values 104 is your feels like temperature in Sisseton, 102 in Oaks, feels like 100 in Alexandria. Here's a look again at that satellite and radar where we're seeing the cloud cover increasing for the majority of the region. Maybe a little bit of sunshine up towards Langdon and Towner counties and the far southern valley, seeing the cloud cover fill in and even a few rain showers as well. Can't rely on a passing shower or just a sprinkle moving through the Central Valley. Meanwhile, up near Saskatoon, there is a low pressure system spinning and that will be headed our way, increasing the risk for some significant weather later this evening. Most will remain up in Canada. All these yellow boxes, those are severe thunderstorm watches and a tornado watch, including Winnipeg and points to the north. Well, what can we expect here? The areas shaded in yellow, seeing the greatest potential for severe weather this evening. That's a level 2 out of 5 risk by the Storm Prediction Center, with hazards being hail up to 2 inches in diameter and damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. The tornado risk is low, but it's not zero. So here's a look through your hour-by-hour forecast. Again, those passing showers through the Central and Southern Valley continue. And after about 8 o'clock or so is when we'll see some of those thunderstorms developing in the Northern Valley and northwestern Minnesota. The good news is that window for severe is quite short, between about 8 and 11 before those storms move off this evening. And we see clearing skies behind it, behind that cold front. And it's going to bring colder, seasonally cool temperatures for our Wednesday, only warming up into the 70s for most tomorrow with a breezy northwesterly wind, but that's going to dry us out and significantly reduce our humidity. So cooler, but not as sticky for your Wednesday afternoon. Here's what it looks like tomorrow in Fargo. Sunrise at 6:08 in the morning, temperatures in the 60s, and we only warm up into the 70s. A little bit more sunshine though than we've seen for today. That wind out of the north. Sunset at 8:58. A snapshot of your hometown forecast around 5 o'clock. We're going to be coolest in northwestern Minnesota and along the international border in some lower 70s. The better potential for low 80s is going to be along the North Dakota, South Dakota state line and points to the south. That cool down is brief because we see the wind switch back out of the south, pulling back in more heat, more humidity Thursday and Friday. Friday looking to be the hottest day of the week. We could have some temperatures in the triple digits with potential for storms later in the day. Some of those showers and storms continue into our Saturday and cooler Saturday as well. We're back in the 70s Saturday and Sunday. A little bit more seasonal, Stacy, to head into next week.
Yeah, perfect timing for the weekend. Thanks,
I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, me too. And